Hi cryptocurrency market audience and team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Monero wallet. This one's fairly simple to do too, so let's get right into it. All you have to do is type in Monero wallet in Google. You'll click the first link, which is getmonero.org/downloads. It'll direct you to this, and then you're going to choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm using a Mac, so I'll click Mac, and it directs me to this, and these orange links are the links to click, so I will click that, and it is downloading right now. I will let that load, and I will start installing it now, and there it is. It shows up in my downloads as this orange sign right here, Monero Wallet GUI 3. I'm going to click open and wait for that to load up. Just so you know, guys, this happens on the Mac quite a bit, depending on your settings. But instead of double clicking it, what I would do is I would right click it and click open, and then I would click this open button. And it's asking me to override my security preferences, so I will do that. And there you go. A wallet has been created. So it did ask me to pick a username and a password, and I did that, and I just signed in right now. And as you can see, this is what the wallet looks like. It's a brand new wallet, so there's zero balance. If you click address book, you'll see the address settings right here. So this is where you could add contacts. The send and receive button is right here. So send, and then receive on the left side. Your address would be right here, this top line, which you can copy and paste. And also it gives you a QR code. And I've learned that you could also generate an integrated address, which you could also use as well to receive. And then when you want to send, you would just type in your address, and then you put a payment ID. So I would put test, 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 and then I would click add. And as you can see, it says right here, waiting on daemon synchronization to finish. So what that means is right here. If you click on settings, you will have to do this little section right here, which is the daemon address, to connect it to the network. All right. How you would go about doing that is you would go back to Google and you would type in Monero daemon address. And you could click the first link right here, which is how to use a remote node. You could find this actually back on the getmonero.org website where it says downloads. You know how we started from there. But what you could do here is go to resources. You would go to resources on the right side, and then you would click user guide, and then you would click under wallets, and it says right here how to connect to a remote node within GUI wallet. You would click that, and then as you read this little article here, it tells you how to do it. So the punchline is, it looks like this, node.moneroworld.com. You would actually copy and paste that, and you would type it in here. If we go back to the wallet now, you go to daemon address, and you actually type in node.moneroworld.com. And if you would like, you could just copy it right here. You could just fill it in yourself, node.moneroworld.com. The port that's used for the node.moneroworld uses 18089, which I already have typed in here. So it's 18089. Once you type in node.moneroworld.com and you type in 18089, you click Start Daemon, and it starts loading for you. Once you click Start Daemon, you'll look on the bottom left on the network status, and it starts syncing, and then it eventually connects. And that's how you actually set up the wallet. You actually have to do that. You have to connect the network for Monero It's not like that for every wallet, but for Monero, it is like that. So that's just one thing that you'll have to do before you actually start using Monero. And once that happens, you could start sending and receiving. You could see the history, and these are all tabs on the left side. There's a settings option too, and there you go, guys. It works like any other wallet in cryptocurrency. It really is that simple to get started. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to set up a Monero wallet. It's a little bit more technical, but it is very simple to do at the end of the day. I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. I sure enjoy making them. Please like below if you like these types of videos, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Happy investing. Peace.